Nobody explains this, so I will. Do you know how to say brother in Tigrinya? No, it's not Hawe. The word is how. When you say Hawe, you're meaning my brother, because the way you compose the possessive in Tigrinya is the word, in this case, how, brother, and nate, which means my or mine. You take the last part of the word nate, a, and you add it to the word how. So it becomes Hawe, my brother. You do the same when you want to say sister or my sister. Sister is not half te, but is half t. When you say half te, you're adding a, or the last part of the word nate, to the word half t. It becomes half te. The same goes for the plural. If you want to say our brother is how plus natna. Natna means ours, and the na at the end of natna is added to the how. So it becomes hawana. You are my brothers and sister. So I use ahwat, and I add the last part of nate, and it becomes ahwate.
Learn Tigrinya on semikids.com.
Culture is cool.